Good afternoon, YouTube. We are here and we're going to do an unboxing of the Balenciaga recycled speed trainers. So this is my first pair of Balenciagas. I got them on a website called Goat, which I'm sure most of you are going to know. If you don't, it's a site where you can buy new or used shoes and make offers on different pairs of shoes, and it tends to be a pretty reputable site. So I went with Goat and I got these shoes new in box. We're going to see if they're new in box. I hope so, being a reputable site. But I'm kind of a shoe noob, and I saw these Balenciaga speed trainers and I figured, I think they're cool shoes and I'm gonna go for it. So without further ado, let's start getting this box open. So as many of you who have used Goat before might know, they go from the seller to a authentication site which Goat has, and then it gets sent to you from there. Unfortunately, the box is upside down. Great way to start the video. But that can make it so that it takes a little bit longer for you to actually get the pair of shoes that you buy. So it took me about 10, maybe 2 weeks almost actually, to get these shoes. So you take the box out, and the box is a little bit ripped in places, a little bit of wear along here, and on the corners you can see it, and then a little bit on the bottom, probably from just sitting around. These shoes were listed as new, so I do hope that they are in fact new. So far, all is good. You've got a Balenciaga tag, kind of. Goat verified tag. And I think these different ticks right here are from Goat, and they tick these for all to check all the boxes. Little Goat sticker. It's a nice touch from Goat. So this is the Balenciaga bag that comes with the shoes. Seems to be a single bag. Doesn't seem to be used in any way. Gray, the Balenciaga logo right there. Put that off to the side. Now these shoes, I'm sure, have been taken out of the box. I'm sure of it. But they are still meant to be new, so here we go. So they still do have the cardboard inserts, and there's still stuffing in the sole of the shoe, but they do not seem to be really worn at all. You can see the recycled logo from it being the recycled speed trainer. Now I think that means that it is made of recycled materials, but I'm not too sure. I just got these at a good price and I wanted all black, so it's kind of what I went for. So yeah, so let's take this other shoe out. And it all looks to be in good condition. It does look to be brand new. So I'm looking on the inside here, and I don't think you can read it, but it does say made of 92% recycled material. So I do think that these are in fact recycled, as they're called, the recycled Balenciaga speed trainers. But they really don't look any different from the normal speed trainers. They're just, I think, maybe the sole and maybe the fabric is recycled, but it's still a knit shoe, the sock-like shoe. And it does feel to be good quality. Of course, you are overpaying no matter what because it's essentially a sneaker. But I'm happy with it. I went for it and I I do like them. So let me see how they fit, and I'm sure we'll be back with another video on how they fit and so forth. So that was an unboxing of the Balenciaga Speed Trainer Black on Black from GOAT.